don't create finish. Make I talk better thing.
You get sense pass.
Rule number one. Rule number one. If I want gossip, I want to know the topic of the gossip. Because if I hear any rumor,
neighbor, I been say Magawata
if I hear any rumor,
they touch, but let's say this one. Pass on.
Rule number two. You get number of time we will come up from this compound. If you finish your number of time we will come up from this compound, come back. After that, you will pay gate fee.
Say na club I been already. You don't come. We don't pay our rent finish.
Number three.
Carry me come this house.
Number three.
I do 4. Can you do 3?
Number three. All the waka wey dey waka, I just dey look you and not dey talk. From today, if you know say you go comot for long, you go bring one of your friends come stay for here first before you comot.
After my husband, as my husband.
It has to be beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. No get room for only girl for this house.
It has to be beautiful. Like it must get full option.
Now Shrek, I go carry come for. Now it is Shrek. I'll bring for now.
Number 4.
Hey, number 4. Need them.
Number 4.
Can you juju be
Number 4. Number 4. The day when you cook, I no concern whether I fry chicken on Sunday, fried chicken on that. The day when you cook better food, when they send enter my nose, if I no taste at your house rent increase.
Never.
I don't stop finish.
Okay, my last rule, Kuma, and after this rule, I will entertain questions from all of you. My last rule, K is a Gen Z who?
AKA Yahoo boy.
Oga,
I
call police for you. You
guys,
go explain. You go explain.
The only police wey go follow you na Yahoo police.
Yahoo police. Shanky baby.
Waiting.
And
Shanka. Shanka. Magawata.
Shanka. And Gen Z. I know say you people in the commode, when I go eat, when I go drink, when I chop juice. I mean, I drink juice. I mean, I chop it. Juice. When I chop, I mean, I drink.
No. There is a bath.
Okay, you go chop juice.